Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn better ways to select the multiple cells in Excel. Here is a computer world sales report and here is a data, and I want to select the multiple cells from this data. First select the cells and hold the control key for multiple selection. Hold the control key and select the multiple cells. It will select the multiple cells. This is a technique which most of the people know, but I will tell you a little bit better technique for multiple selection. Just select the first cell, just press Shift F8 key. Now add or remove selection mode is on. Now select any cell without holding the control key. Just click any cell, it will add the multiple selection. That's way you can select the multiple cells. I just press delete key, it will delete all the cell which I selected. I just press Ctrl Z for undo. Now this is a better technique to select the multiple cells in Microsoft Excel. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.